Yo, what's up guys, Landon Barnett back to another one. And today guys, we're out here on the lake today in the kayak. And we're gonna see if we can catch some bass. Fish on. Nice little 1-pounder. I think that's why I'm having such a hard time of getting them, is I'm just constantly popping it, never stopping it. And these fish right here, whenever I stop it is when they hit it. There he is. Boom. Boom. Bass on. Bass on. Let's go. Not a hog by any means. Once again, not a giant, but it's a decent little bass. Let him go. Boom. Look at that. I stopped reeling for 5 seconds and then just came up and smashed it. Not a terrible little guy. Not huge or anything. Let him go. Well guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. We ended the day off on a pretty good note. I don't know how many bass I got, but I just kind of found out the trick there at the end, how to get them on the popper. I just lost my popper up there in the front of the kayak. That's really stupid because I just seen a couple 5-pounders right here. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, please smash that like button. Subscribe, leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys want next. Peace out and have an amazing rest of your guys' day.